The fifth product on our list is the Klarus EP10 V2. Are you looking for a tactical rechargeable flashlight for your next camping trip? Check out the Klarus EP10 V2 rechargeable flashlight with its 10 watts of high power that offers a super bright light. Its output is so high that it is up to 1000 lumens and equals a car's headlight in brightness. Its cross-shaped texture with anti-slip feature ensures that it doesn't slip off your palms. Klarus is a heavy-duty rechargeable flashlight built with aerospace aluminum alloy, which is why it is resistant to corrosion, giving it the reputation of being one of the most durable rechargeable flashlights on the market. We liked that Klarus is resistant to abrasion and shock, so no matter how many times it falls to the hard floor, it will not show any dents. This rechargeable flashlight has a hidden USB Type-C port. This goes a long way to strengthen its waterproof features, as water cannot get in through the hidden port. It is the best rechargeable flashlight for all weather, as it is weather resistant. No matter how cold or hot the weather may be, it will always be in good working condition. One of the most remarkable features of Klarus is the bezel on the head, which can be used for self-defense and for smashing through a glass barrier in case of an emergency. It has 4 modes that you can choose from. It's high, medium, low, and strobe modes to meet your needs. It has an on-off button separated from the strobe button, so you can select the strobe mode without going through the other 3 modes. Lastly, we like that this rechargeable flashlight has 4 different indicator lights that help you keep track of your battery life. Its pros are, it is budget-friendly, it has a dual switch, and it is very rugged. However, its ports are not compatible with USB to Type-C cables. The Klarus EP10 V2 rechargeable flashlight is a tactical flashlight built for people who want a reliable light when going camping or on road trips.